Now that our acrylic application is complete, let's start with filing and shaping. So these are my things I'll be using. For refining acrylic, I usually work with the e-file. So you can get your e-file around 5 to 10 RMP depending on the bit and the amount of product you have removing. Around the cuticle area, I will reduce the speed and use a light pressure. I'm carefully refining the acrylic area near the cuticles, then keeping the bit parallel to our nails and also avoiding contact when it comes to the natural nails. One technique I'll use to reduce heat is short, controlled paces. Instead of staying at one area, I move across the nails, lift the bit, and return to another area. This prevents much friction from building up in one spot. Do not put the nail bit at one spot and continuously moving it and speeding it up because this will cause friction on your client's natural nails. Now refine the side walls of your almond shape by gradually moving towards the center and lightly rounding up the tip to get that soft almond shape. File beneath the nails and also go in with your buffer to smoothen the surface and remove any small scratches left from filing. That's stuff, and this is what you should get for your almond. Now for our stiletto, we'll start from the cuticle area as always, using our e-file, controlling our speed with light, gently refining the cuticle area. When we are okay with our cuticle area, we move next to changing our bit to smoothing the surfaces and remove excess bulk while maintaining the correct structure. Check from the sideward profile to make sure the apex and the structure are balanced. Move to filing them evenly towards the center to create the sharp pointed stiletto. Finally, using our buffer with a light pressure to smoothen the surface and remove any scratches. That's stuff, and this is your stiletto. To continue for our square and dark nails, for the square, keep the sidewall straight. Go through the same procedure you went through for the almond and the stiletto. File the free edge across using your e-file to define your shapes and then keep your climates very defined. Remember not to aggressively file back and forth, especially near the natural nails. The goal is to define the structure and create a smooth and natural finish. To get our shape very good, use your e-file to shape the corners and also make you get the C-curved shape. Continue with your bath and make it as smooth as possible. Then for the last part, that is the dark nails, maintain the flare shape by keeping the free edge wider than the base. Do the same procedure for the three that we have done, and let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video.